Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering precise info so the emergency contact is immediately useful. Enter full name and at least 2 reachable numbers. Once done, add relationship and brief medical notes so responders know context. Make sure to choose a primary and a backup contact. This prevents a single point of failure. Next, prepare any relevant documents or photos to attach. This saves time during a crisis and helps identification when minutes matter. You now input information into all necessary places: phone contacts, emergency apps, and medical ID fields. While entering data, set a priority flag or label so the contact appears first in an emergency view. This makes retrieval faster. Also add explicit details: address, allergies, current meds, and best call times, because specificity reduces delay. Finally, assign a distinctive ringtone or emergency vibration, so you instantly recognize calls from that contact, even in noisy situations. You finish by verifying accuracy. Call or message each contact to confirm numbers and willingness to act. Once confirmed, enable lock screen access and ICE or medical ID sharing so first responders can view details without unlocking. This matters for speed and legality. Test notification settings and make sure permissions allow emergency apps to override silent modes. If something fails, check app permissions, network status, and silent or do not disturb settings. Fixing those resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.